Hey guys,
What's up?
welcome back to the channel. My name is Tin.
I'm Brian.
This is Auto Start. So today I'm bringing you guys some old news that you guys have heard of before. So I'm sure you guys remember the big hoopla about Tesla removing their sensors around their cars and going all in on Tesla Vision.
Boy.
So to me that's strange. It's kind of like a backward step, usually because modern day cars have sensors everywhere, for detections against like barricades, other cars, people even. But they decided to remove these sensors and going all in on their camera-based operating system called Tesla Vision.
Interesting. All cameras. All Tesla Vision.
So
Sensors.
I thought that part is strange because yes, a camera is good, especially when it's like high quality, high resolution cameras. But in combination with sensors, it really makes like the whole full self-driving better.
Yeah.
Which I don't understand why with that, like those like measures, that harmony of sensors and cameras make a beautiful FSD.
Yeah, that is strange, Tara. Get rid of the sensors. That is a little suspect.
It is. We're reverting back to old times where old cars didn't have sensors, but now new cars or new Teslas don't have sensors.
Interesting. So the camera so they're relying fully on the camera to determine the depth of like closeness to and proximity to other things, like even like on the road and everything.
Pretty much they're using the cameras to do this vectoring to see how far you are from this and that, and like warn, like if you're too close to this, they'll start beeping at you.
Okay.
But the only issue with that is like it can be a little inaccurate.
Yeah, but see the inaccuracy, right? That's why we have sensors, right?
Mm-hmm.
So it's like to make sure. So interesting.
It wasn't good when they did it at first. Like with the first, when they first removed all of the sensors and went like fully in to Tesla Vision, it was not the best at vectoring distance.
Oh, can imagine.
But now with hardware 4, which is Tesla's new hardware update, it upgraded all the cameras around the car, made a better sensor or better high quality cameras, bigger cameras, so it can see better and a lot better things.
Okay. So there's potential, maybe.
It is, because there's like a big difference between hardware 3 and hardware 4. Like the camera quality and the images and pictures you see, like that the camera sees, is a giant step forward. It is actually beautiful.
Okay.
So let's go straight into hardware 4, if you guys didn't know. So hardware 4, it upgrades all the cameras around the entire car. So Tesla does have the 8 cameras on the outside and 1 camera on the inside. So with the first upgrade, upgraded the front-facing cameras, made it sharper, more resolution.
Okay.
They upgraded the side blinkers. They made the housing bigger and tilted the cameras more 45-degree angle, so you can see more of that angle.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Nice.
They changed the housing on the B pillars to make it bigger, and then they upgraded the sizing of the rear camera as well.
Okay.
Yeah, so the most recent editions of all Teslas have most of their sensors removed.
All sensors removed. Okay.
Yeah, so.
Okay. All can.
But I have an idea.
Uh-oh.
So with, these generational upgrades to the hardware, if Tesla were to upgrade maybe, hardware 10 to where there's even more cameras, because before, existing Teslas did not have the repeaters.
Okay.
So they didn't have like the side view.
Oh, okay.
Like new generational upgrades, they have those repeaters. They have better front view cameras, the dash cams and everything.
Okay.
I'm wondering if they were to go all the way to hardware 10, 10th generation, would they be adding more cameras? And if they did, I have some ideas of where to put them.
Oh. Okay.
All right, Tesla. So listen.
Listen.
So if you're gonna go all in on that full self-driving and all in cameras, then to have a better full self-driving experience, you're obviously gonna need more cameras.
Yeah.
Right.
Makes sense.
Right.
Yeah, okay.
So I'm liking what you did with the front-facing. The only request is make them 1080p minimum, up to 4K.
Sounds good. Of course. Okay.
I mean, those dash cams, you need them, especially if any collisions, anything weird happens.
Yeah.
Things get a little blurry when you're trying to avoid other cars. So I would like to see that license plate.
True. Makes sense. Yeah.
Another thing is, I would like 2 additional cameras inside the headlights.
Oh, okay. The headlights. Oh,
Yeah.
yeah. Okay.
So not only does it it won't obscure or degrade the image of the car,
Right.
but with the headlights hiding the cameras, it can actually, like, the cameras can show at an angle to see, like, when you're driving, more angle
Yeah,
stuff.
more angled. Yeah, that'd be good places. Okay.
And another one which I really prefer, if pretty much all cars have them, are cameras towards the bottom bumper.
It's a bomb.
So you don't scrape your bumper, you can see that bottom barricade as you're parking facing. Because I essentially stop parking facing. I just keep backing up because there's a rear view camera. I can see everything.
Yeah, but from the front, can't see.
Mm-hmm.
Makes sense.
And the next one, I love what you did with the side repeaters, having them angled, having them bigger. I would totally keep that the same. The B pillars, same thing, keep them the same. But I would make an additional 2 more cameras on the D pillars.
B pillar, okay.
Yeah, so because as everything, all the cameras are facing like this way, right?
Okay.
There's no cameras facing that way,
Facing
really.
that way?
It's like from the rear.
Oh, okay.
So there were cameras in the rear facing this way. You can only see cars on the left and on the right. But also helps with Sentry mode because Tesla's kind of weak on the blind spots where the A pillars are.
Oh, okay.
But if you have cameras in the D pillars pointing forward, you can see everything on the front. But you can also see things on the side as well for if you're doing that full self-driving.
Okay, makes sense to get to that full self-driving step. Okay.
And you can actually hide those D pillar cameras like behind the passenger side because this is blacked out, so they can just technically just add more covering on the inside.
Oh, okay. Definitely, yeah. I want to keep it hidden.
And I love what you did with the rear cameras. I think that's awesome. I would say upgrade to 1080 or even 4K, but if they're close enough to you and they're gonna hit you, you're gonna see the license plate regardless.
Yeah, true.
So there's that.
Yeah, you will see it.
So all these cameras in total, I think brings up to like 12 cameras.
12 additional cameras? Or 12 total?
12 in total, yeah.
12
in total. Okay, I mean, that's a lot of cameras. That's a big step from like 8 external cameras.
Yeah, there's a lot.
I mean, it just makes more sense, right? Having more information equals better driving experience for the car.
Yeah, should make it a lot easier for it to be fully self-driving. Not bad.
Yeah, I mean, those are my thoughts as a Tesla driver that I think would be great if Tesla really wants to go all in on Tesla Vision and really push their full self-driving from beta to full self-driving. Just have more cameras, feed more knowledge into the car, and the car can compute whatever it sees.
Yeah. Busted.
Yeah.
Not bad.
But yeah, those are just my thoughts as a Tesla owner on like possible like what they can do in hardware 10, what I would like to see if they're gonna go all in on Tesla Vision.
All in.
Yeah.
Go all in.
That's really it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Give the video a like. Comment down below.
Yeah.
And be sure to subscribe because I know, Tesla Project Highland, they made a video on it. It's pretty hot.
Oh yeah.
So be sure to subscribe so we can talk about that.
Oh yeah.
Woo! Till next time, you guys take care.
Bye.